Hey Sherpa, show me a Sudoku, a medium puzzle. Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, my virtual assistant. Today is Sherpa, the last virtual assistant I will do on Monday. Last week I have, I believe, Jarvis. Yes, Jarvis. Anyway, no good news today on Monday, October the 25th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and in this newspaper we have no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus. So, what I will do is to continue with the additional of the last time. Well, all the additionals in the last week, yes, are solved. The only I have not solved is Monday. Yes, Monday, October the 18th. We have there 3 Sudokus left. Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a 1-star Sudoku. Yes, this one is for last week. So this week the publisher has not so much Sudokus to publish. Yes, but first we will do this baby, and this one will be number 3584. 3584. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong or right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. For 26 printed digits Sudoku, if you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. 2 stars, and for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, let me see, let me scan the puzzle first. Which number can I pick? How about this column? The first column. We have a 4 in the third column, the 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 1, 2. Yeah. We have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 7 missing numbers in this big square. Yeah, 7. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see the 5. How about the 5, 5, 5? 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then, alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see a 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Okay. Alright. Cannot continue with the 5. How about these 2 numbers? In this big square, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the 3rd row for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the 3rd row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Okay. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then how about 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the 3rd column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 8, and 7 in the 3rd column. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in the 3rd column for the number 7. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 1 box left in the 3rd column for the number 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have another 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. I cannot continue with the 3. How about 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. No. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, and we have a pair. 7 and a 6 in this row. 7 and a 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7. Okay. Alright. That means in this row we have 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 in the middle row. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Here are another 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and a 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 3. Alright. Okay, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. How about the 4 then? I think I've have all the 4s and all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 4. Okay. 1 number left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 7 and a 2. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, one number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. So one box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We see a 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see a 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudoku, for the killer, for the quintuplet. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the tectonic, binaries, ladder Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And later on in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the additional of last week. Yeah, last week Monday we have 3 puzzles left. Until then, bye-bye for now. Hey Sherpa, my virtual assistant, show me a Sudoku on internet. Bye-bye.